Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the pattern lock not working on the OnePlus 15R.
Fix 1. Restart your phone. Step 1. Press and hold the power button. Step 2. Tap restart. Step 3. Try unlocking with the pattern again. Fix 2. Use backup pin or fingerprint. Step 1. On the lock screen, tap forgot pattern if shown. Step 2. Enter your backup pin or password. Step 3. Unlock and reset the pattern. Fix 3. Boot into safe mode. Step 1. Press and hold the power button. Step 2. Tap and hold power off until safe mode appears. Step 3. Tap OK. Step 4. Check if the pattern works. Fix 4. Clear system cache. Step 1. Turn off the phone. Step 2. Press and hold volume down plus power until the OnePlus logo appears. Step 3. Navigate to wipe cache using volume buttons. Step 4. Select yes and reboot.